EnGauge Bed Architecture by Knickerbocker. Bed Architecture Advanced High-Performance Support Systems offer the ultimate in form and function. Like the best architecture, it combines strength with beauty in a way that is functional and elegant to meet the demands of today's heavier, more sophisticated luxury bedding. When selling new bedding, your customer may not be aware that options have changed since the last time they were in the market. Online research will likely inform them of improvements to comfort and convenience of new mattresses. No flip, memory foam, gel cooling, hybrid foam, and spring mattresses are all new in today's mattress offerings. The bed support needs to account for the advances in bedding set technologies. We will educate you about the most advanced bed support system to complete the bedding set from the floor up, making new mattress sets perform the way they were engineered to perform. Give your customer's new mattress set its maximum lifetime and make it look great in the bedroom with the addition of an EnGauge Deluxe support system. One of the best features of this support system is that it is simple to assemble. EnGauge goes together in minutes with no chance of error. A patented no-tool assembly system uses gravity to lock double wedge connectors firmly in place. The finished support system squares up automatically with true 90-degree corners. The complete EnGauge system includes 5 pre-assembled parts, 2 side rails, and the 3 cross rails. Any consumer can construct the EnGauge in less than 2 minutes. Since it has no complicated parts, needs no tools, and has no loose fasteners to deal with. The EnGauge Deluxe bed support is unique in today's market. The styled contours create a smooth, safe product. Inset legs and soft rounded edges alleviate stubbed toes and provide an enlarged walking space. The EnGauge structure also includes extra long steel angle iron side rails. This makes the bed extremely stable and prevents bed tipping. In addition, the EnGauge features double steel angle cross rails. This supports the center of the bed and prevents bed flexing. Unlike traditional metal bed frames, the EnGauge has 3 horizontal support rails running side to side. These horizontal rails are robust, using double steel angles to form a T-section. They support the heaviest parts of our bodies while sleeping. Traditional bed frames only have a vertical rail running head to toe, and they do not support the important lumbar areas of the body. In time, they create sagging mattresses with body impressions. The EnGauge Deluxe bed support is unique in today's market. The structure of the new EnGauge is reinforced for extra strength and durability. The molded composite leg system will hold up to any load. EnGauge gives maximum stability in both head-to-foot and side-to-side support. Now let's focus on appearance in the bedroom. Unlike a traditional bed frame, the EnGauge really is a finished piece of furniture. It is versatile enough to use with a traditional mattress and foundation, a bunkie board. It can get paired with any headboard to complete the visual style of any bedroom. As a finished piece of furniture, the EnGauge Deluxe does not need to be hidden by a dust ruffle. Dust ruffles prevent adequate ventilation under the bed and allow dust, hair, and other allergens to accumulate. EnGauge solves this issue by allowing plenty of airflow under the bed. Let your customer know that when they upgrade their mattress, it's important to upgrade to a proper support system. To get better sleep, they need proper under-bed support. EnGauge will improve the feel of their new mattress and extend its useful life. The mattress set is designed to be seated on a high-quality support system. The EnGauge Deluxe completes that circle. Mattress warranties make a special point to mention what type of support systems are required for the warranty to be valid. Warranties do not cover damage caused by inadequate under-bed support or from weak or improper bed frame. Choose the best support available. Choose EnGauge. Knickerbocker is a fourth-generation, family-owned company committed to designing, manufacturing, and assembling all of our products in the United States. For over 100 years we've kept this promise and intend to keep it for generations to come. Your customers deserve the best support. Your customers deserve the EnGauge bed support system.